guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a video all about Zaful. I have wanted to purchase their bikinis for a long time, but I never went through with it because I had heard a lot of negative things. I did some research and I finally splurged. There was a big sale after Christmas. We're gonna get into all the tea revolving this company, and yeah, so like I said, I bought these all with my own money. This isn't sponsored. Well, let me begin. I ordered these on December 31st at like 2 in the morning, and it is February 19th. So I got my last one yesterday, so it's February 18th, so almost 2 months, which I mean, I was kind of expecting at least a month. My first one arrived, I think 3 weeks after I ordered, and then I got another one 2 weeks ago, and then this final one I got yesterday. So I only ordered 5 of them, and it came in 3 separate packages, which is a bit weird, but I guess, I don't know, as far as I'm aware, they get the bikinis from like outside sources, so they like ship them as they receive them. Bathing suit comes in a little bag which you can reseal, which I really like, because I'm probably gonna like bring mine on vacation like this and then just pop it back in the bag and then bring it home and clean it. Reference, I got a small in all of my bikinis. I was really scared they were gonna be all too small because everyone says they're sized really small. I'm normally an extra small or small in most clothing stores. I'm a 32A and my pant size is a 0 at American Eagle because pant sizes vary everywhere. This is the first one, and it is the Starry Night top. It does have removable straps, which I probably will take off, so you can just do that. And it is also adjustable, and it's very stretchy, so if you have a bigger bust it shouldn't be a problem at all. So this is the top portion, just the typical Zaful bottoms. They're pretty high-waisted and cheeky, which I like. I find it more flattering. So that's that. And then for this one, it also comes with like this thing you can use. It's supposed to be a choker, but I'm not going to wear it as a choker. I'm going to put it in my hair when I wear this bikini. Woo! The next one is a velvet one. Y'all know me in velvet. So this is the top. It's just kind of a bralette style. It is not adjustable at the back, but these straps are. And there is padding. So it's double, oh yeah. All of the bottoms are double lined, so you won't see anything once you get in the water, I hope. And then the bottoms are probably the cheekiest of all that I got. So this is the bottoms. You like can't tell what's the front, what's the back. That's how cheeky they are. Again, double lined and sit high on the hips. Very flattering, really like that. We have yellow. Now I did not own a yellow bikini, so I was like, let's get one. Again, same style as the velvet one, very bralette type look. No clip at the back, but adjustable straps. The only thing I'd say about this one, I find if you have bigger boobs, there might not be like enough coverage, because I find that like there isn't a lot of material that covers the boob area, and I have nothing. So just look out for that. Bottoms are the same kind of like waffle-y material. I don't really know. So being the hipster that I am, I got a cacti bikini, so it has little cacti all over it. This has no, y'all, I just got lipstick on it. Really? Really? I just did that. Anyways, we're gonna fix that after. So yeah, it just has a bunch of cacti on it. It's really pretty. And removable cups as usual. And then the bottoms are just green. Again, high on the hips, slightly too big for me, but I can get away with it. So basically the same material as the Starry one. Oh my god, this is my favorite. Now, I think they actually made a mistake because there's literally two versions of the sunflower bikini. There's one that the top is a sunflower print and the bottoms are, you can get like white or orange or green, I think. And then there's one where it's the reverse, so the top is the color and then the bottoms are the sunflower, and I am very sure that I ordered the one that had the bottoms with the sunflower print. So when I opened this, I was like, oh, but it was funny because like a week ago I was like, oh, I wish I like swapped it because I already have like a bandeau bikini that is orange. So I was like, oh, why did I choose that one? So I opened this and I was like, oh, okay. Anyways, so this is probably my favorite one. The quality of the top is amazing. It's so comfortable and like sturdy, like really nice material. Again, has the padding inside that you can remove. Yes, you can remove. Wait. Yes, you can remove. And the bottoms are just, again, orange, high-waisted, stretchy. So I think the majority of their bottoms are very similar to this. Just this elasticy. Overall, I'm really happy. I was expecting at least one or two to not fit, but I think you just have to be lucky. It's kind of like a grab bag. I do have some tips. Definitely read reviews that people post, especially ones that have photos to actually see what they look like, because I know some bikinis show up like completely not looking like they did online at all. So definitely be careful with that, or if you want to be a guinea pig, go right ahead and try it for yourself. They are fairly inexpensive, so if it doesn't work out, it's not that big of a loss. Really pleased. I'll definitely order from them again, but make sure if you're ordering for a specific vacation or whatever, you do it way in advance. I was thinking this one wasn't gonna make it, but it did, and I'm so happy. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any other questions, please let me know down below and subscribe for new videos. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!